Number 1. Listed for $5,500 in Rio Grande City, Texas, this 1973 Plymouth Satellite is a solid example of classic American muscle. Powered by a rebuilt 318 engine with only 10,000 miles since the rebuild, this car is in great mechanical shape and ready for the road. The rust-free body adds to its appeal, and it comes with a clean title. Featuring a blue exterior with a matching blue interior, it's a stylish ride that captures the essence of the era. This Satellite offers a great opportunity for anyone looking for a well-preserved classic with plenty of life left for future adventures. Number 2. Priced at $4,200 in Chickasha, Oklahoma, this 1962 Chevrolet C10 has 86,250 miles and features a 235 engine paired with a 3-speed manual transmission. The truck runs off a gas can due to needing a fuel line, but it yard drives with functional brakes. Structurally, the C10 is in solid condition with minimal rust on the rockers and floor pan, making it a great project truck for restoration enthusiasts. However, it's important to note that the vehicle comes without a title, which may require additional effort for buyers looking to register it. Number 3. For $8,950, this 1974 Chevrolet Nova 350 is offered by a dealership in Moore, Oklahoma. It boasts a crate engine with just 25,000 miles and an automatic transmission, with 48,709 miles on the speedometer. The car features a striking yellow exterior, new floor pans, and fresh seats, alongside many new OEM parts included in the sale. This Nova is a solid classic muscle car in great condition, perfect for enthusiasts looking for a well-maintained ride. However, financing is not available, so buyers must come prepared to purchase outright. Number 4. Available for $6,500 in Bixby, Oklahoma, this 1963 Ford Galaxy 500 sedan sports a spring yellow exterior with a black interior. Powered by a 289 Cruise-O-Matic engine, it also features power steering and power brakes, along with 5 brand new tires. While the car runs and drives, it does have a few minor issues, including non-functioning dash lights, a faulty fuel gauge and radio, and an overheating problem, likely needing a new radiator or water pump. This classic Ford offers a solid platform for restoration or further improvements. Number 5. Priced at $6,800 in Sheboygan, Wisconsin, this 1965 Cadillac DeVille sedan is a project car with 70,000 miles. It features a 429 engine, though it has oil leaks from the valve covers and brake issues that need attention. Additional repairs include windows that need assistance, a faulty blinker switch, and hood hinges that require replacement. Despite these mechanical concerns, the body is in great shape, offering a solid foundation for a restoration project. This DeVille is ideal for classic car enthusiasts looking for a rewarding rebuild. Number 6. Listed for $6,500 in Pillager, Minnesota, this 1976 GMC Sierra, a 3500 HD C35, is a dually 2-wheel drive truck powered by a 454 engine paired with a TH400 transmission. The truck runs and drives well with several recent upgrades, including 6 new tires, a new seat, a fresh floor mat, and a stylish wood steering wheel. It has a solid box, but rust can be found on the cab rockers and door bottoms, common in older models. As a rare camper special, this truck offers a unique combination of durability and classic charm. Its powerful engine and heavy-duty design make it ideal for those who need a strong, reliable work truck, while also providing a great foundation for a restoration project. Perfect for collectors or someone seeking a classic shop truck. Number 7. This 1983 GMC 1500 Club Coupe is available for $4,900 in Arcadia, South Carolina, and has 90,000 miles. It's in good running condition, showcasing a sleek black exterior and interior. The truck is powered by a robust engine and transmission, ensuring reliable performance on the road. While there's no rust on the body, it does require some interior updates and suspension work to enhance its overall comfort and drivability. The clean title is in hand, giving buyers peace of mind regarding its history. This GMC 1500 presents a fantastic opportunity for classic truck enthusiasts or anyone looking for a dependable vehicle with potential. The seller is open to negotiations, making this a great option for those wanting a classic truck that can be enjoyed as is or customized further. Number 8. This 1966 Mercury Park Lane is an all-original barn find, listed for $5,000 in Picayune, Mississippi. It features a powerful 410 FE engine and remains a solid, complete vehicle. With its classic styling and untouched condition, this Park Lane offers an excellent opportunity for restoration. The car comes with a clean title, providing peace of mind for potential buyers. This classic Mercury is perfect for enthusiasts looking to revive a piece of automotive history. Whether you're a collector or a first-time classic car buyer, this vehicle holds great potential for a rewarding restoration project. Don't miss your chance to bring this vintage beauty back to life. Number 9. This 1979 Dodge Ram 2500 D200 Power Wagon is available for $7,000 in Jeffersonville, Kentucky. Featuring a robust 360 engine, this 3/4-ton 4xD truck boasts just 23,048 miles, making it a strong classic workhorse. The truck is equipped with a manual transmission, providing an authentic driving experience. It's a great choice for those looking for a reliable and powerful vintage vehicle. The seller is open to negotiation on the price, but will not accept trades. With its solid construction and classic appeal, this Ram 2500 is perfect for anyone seeking a durable truck that can handle tough jobs while offering a slice of automotive history. Don't miss the opportunity to own this classic piece of Americana. Number 10. For $600 in Brownwood, Texas, this 1984 Buick Regal is a project car being sold as is. Although it has no title, the vehicle ran before being parked a year ago and currently needs a new battery to get back on the road. The Regal boasts a solid frame and features new tires with fewer than 100 miles on them, along with a recently installed brake system, making it a promising foundation for restoration. Whether you're looking to restore a classic or repurpose parts, this Buick Regal presents an affordable opportunity for car enthusiasts or DIYers. With some effort, it could be brought back to life, so don't miss out on this project car.